Hi, to change language on your Vivo V40, we would need to go in the settings first, and for that, swipe up to open the list of apps, find settings and open. So here just scroll a bit to see this system tab, and now go in the languages and input and select languages. Here you can see your main default language, and to add new one you need to tap this option and select any other language from the list. For example, let's select, I don't even know what to choose. Let's select this Italian one. So here we have several options. I'm gonna choose the first one. And now we need to hold these lines and put it on the first position, and everything will be translated to Italian language. Let's check it. And yeah, everything is in Italian now. So to go back to the previous language, simply hold these lines on the right side and drag this language on the first position, and it will be immediately translated. So you can also remove this language if you just go in the three dots, select the option to remove and choose any language you want to remove from the list, and then tap this recycle bin icon. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.